Today we're doing another round of 2, I guess, with problem 9 and 10 from the AMC 10B of 2022. Starting with 9, the sum 1 over 2 factorial plus 2 over 3 factorial plus 3 over 4 factorial all the way to 2021 over 2022 factorial can be expressed as a minus 1 over b factorial, where a and b are positive integers. What is a plus b? So we want to find what a plus b is. That's what we were given, or what we want. Basically, all of this up here, so basically, what our strategy is, we want to make these whole so all of them can cancel. So, like, 1/2 factorial plus 3 over 3 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial, and then you do that with the 4 factorial minus 1 over 4 factorial, and then you keep on doing this until you get to the last term, which is now 2022 over 2022 factorial, and then you have to subtract 1 over 2022 factorial. Alright, so, now this is like so basically what you want to do here is, let's just take a look at this term here, 3 over 3 factorial. So, this is equal to 1 over 2 factorial plus, these 3's cancel out, so this is just 1 over 2 factorial, minus 1 over 3 factorial plus, now notice, 4 over 4 factorial. This is now just 1 over 3 factorial, and then minus 1 over 4 factorial. And then you keep on doing that until you get to this term here. This term where it cancels out, this is 1 over 2021 factorial minus 1 over 2022 factorial. And this is pretty neat because guess what? All of these numbers, they cancel out until this one, until you're left with these two terms and this last term. So all of this is just equal to 1 over 2 factorial, that's 1/2, plus another half here, this is 1, subtracting the 1 over 2022 factorial, 1 over 2 factorial. Alright, so now, we basically found a minus 1 over b factorial. So basically we have our a's and b's. 1 is a, b is 2022, 1 plus 2022 is equal to our answer, 2023. So we have found our answer for this problem. Now let's solve problem 10. Camila writes down 5 positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 positive integers. The unique mode of these integers is 2 greater than their median, and the median is 2 greater than their arithmetic mean. What is the least possible value for the mode? Alright, so basically what we need to do, we have this median here, and this mode, since let's just do this in in this numerical order. How about that? Numerical order. That means that, the unique mode of these integers is 2 greater than their median. If it's 2 greater than their median, then it's after the median, so it's these two terms, m plus 2 and m plus 2. Now, we weren't really given any information for these two first integers, let's just say, so we make them a and b. Now we go to our final constraint, I guess. The median is 2 greater than their arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean? It's just you add all these stuff together, and then you divide it by the number of variables or numbers there are. So in this case, it's a plus b plus m plus 2 plus m plus 2 again, and then divide that by 5, since there's 5 numbers here being written. And then you have to add another 2 because that's what it says. And the median is 2 greater than their arithmetic mean. So this is all the median. Okay. So once you just multiply by 5, you would get 5m here, but then there would be m plus m plus m, 3m. You subtract 3m from both sides, you get 2m here. And then what's left is you have a plus b plus, well, this is 10, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So this is 2 times m. Now, we want the least values here. So we want the least value of what? The mode? We want the least value of m plus 2. That means we want the least value of m and a and b, and vice versa. Well, the least integer here is 1, so letting a be 1, well, first we realize that a plus b has to be even, so the only so b has to be a different integer from 1, because if it was a different integer, these two would be the same, and then there would be no mode. So we also know that a plus b has to be even. 1 plus 2 isn't even, but 1 plus 3 is, since that's the least. This is 2 times m. So therefore, m is equal to 9, since 14 plus 4 here, this is 18, divided by 2, m is 9. Now, the mode here is m plus 2. So m plus 2 is 9 plus 2, or 11. So our answer here is simply 11.